Open the door and quickly press on the filter access door to open it. Remove the filter tool from beneath the filter as seen here. Using the tool, turn the filter counterclockwise until the spine on the filter is vertical. Grab the spine of the filter cartridge and pull straight out to remove. To replace the filter, insert the new cartridge until it seats into the housing. Use the filter tool to turn the cartridge clockwise until it stops. Return the tool to its storage location and close the access door. Open the door and pull the filter cover down with your finger to remove it. Pull the removal tool from beneath the filter as before and rotate the filter counterclockwise. Pull the filter straight out to remove. To replace, insert the filter until it seats into the housing. Using the filter tool, turn the spine of the filter clockwise until it stops. Return the filter tool to its storage location and replace the cover and press it into position.